Thank you very much. Blessings and respect. Give thanks to Sara Outspoken. Give thanks to all the people who come support this event tonight. So I'm going to do a 2 short one real quick. By the way, this is for you. This book is for you, yeah. The first one is called Sick. I'm going to do it real quick. I am sick. It's no jokes. Pay attention closely. I'm sick and lonely with no one to hold me. Boldly she told me I was her one and only. I'm sick of her lies because she was in bed with Anthony. I'm sick of fake friends who never promotes me. I'm sick of being talented and even my family doubts me. I'm sick of the radio stations play mostly. If it wasn't for Sara Outspoken, some of you people would have never hear about me. I'm sick in a cold, dark world. Sick with all my life now seems to sparkle. I'm sick of crying tears, no one to talk to. Johnny hears me grumbling in the bathroom and asks, Daddy, who are you argue? I'm just sick of being broke, son, and can't even do what I want to do. I'm sick of fake foods and fake medication. I'm sick of fake news, fake information. Some sick and confused, fake education. Amaziyah The Great views. We're living among a sick generation. The next one is from my book. It's called Don't Cry. Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make this work. Never stop praying for us, even when experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts, but don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside the church. Listen this, I will not quit, even if me have to keep crawling in the dirt. Don't cry. Daughter, don't cry. You tried to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son about a ball thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspired me immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. Hey, Clarice, I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. So exciting seeing Daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many people depending on me. Sadly, I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm going to break this generational curse. Don't cry. Thank you very much. Sara Outspoken. Maximum respect. One announcement real quick. I also have a short movie. It's on YouTube. The Jamaican Poet. We were awarded a Rhode Island Icon Award in the 48-hour film project. So maximum respect to all the wonderful, amazing people. Follow me on IG at Outside The Great. Thanks.
Yes.